loyalist leader from this community is going to join us. And describe who was a victim. Was an IRA man.
High level politics or like for parties and
I don't know if it's a difficult question or not.
Republic analysis. The modern conflict I would prefer to.
What will learn then?
Local boxer who is, I don't know a big lot about boxing, but he's a champion. He's now in Barton Quicky's table, and they're talking about the possibility of this young guy being
whether they actually believe it or not, it's just rubbish. And I remember, come on, we still